I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Legendary School. First, let's get you set up. Begin by creating your personal account and completing your profile. This ensures a tailored experience. Once logged in, take a moment to explore your dashboard. It's your central hub for all activities. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu, which provides quick access to all the platform's features and your learning materials. It's designed for intuitive use, making your initial journey smooth and straightforward. Now that you are familiar with the layout, let's dive into the learning content. You can easily access all your course materials, which include engaging video lectures and comprehensive reading assignments. If you are looking for something specific, use the powerful search function to pinpoint topics or lessons in mere seconds. For flexible learning, remember you can download many resources. This allows you to study offline, anytime and anywhere, ensuring your learning never stops. Staying on track is crucial for success, and Legendary School makes it simple. You can easily monitor your progress, seeing your completion rates for every module and lesson. Actively participate in the discussion forums to collaborate with your fellow students and deepen your understanding. Don't forget to complete all quizzes and assignments. They are designed to reinforce your learning and solidify your knowledge. Consistent engagement will significantly enhance your educational journey. Legendary School offers more than just standard courses. You have the flexibility to customize your learning path, aligning it perfectly with your individual academic or professional goals. Should you encounter any questions, the Comprehensive Help Center is readily available, providing answers to frequently asked questions. For more personalized assistance, you can connect directly with instructors. They are there to offer guidance and support, ensuring you get the most out of your learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.